Buffer tutorial, how to use Buffer for social media management. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you the easy step-by-step on how to use Buffer for social media management. So Buffer core feature is the ability to draft and schedule posts for sharing across multiple social network, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Buffer also offers social media reporting and monitoring functionality. So before we start in creating an account and exploring its features, let's first check its pricing. So here under pricing, you'll see that this software has a free plan and three more paid plans. In free plan, you can get the basics and limited features such as basic publishing tools, landing page builder, and click here to see all the features included. So with the free plan, you can also get up to three social channels or three social media account, and you can have 10 scheduled posts per month. One user, and with the free plan, you can't have link shortener features. There's no analytics, and it only includes very limited features for planning and scheduling. There's no engagement features and no team management features too. So if you want to get more features, you can upgrade your plan to paid plan. The cheapest plan is the essential plan for $5 per month. It's perfect for professional who use publishing, analytics, and engagement tools. And this includes planning and publishing tools, analytic tools, engagement tools, landing page builder, and more. Then the team plan for $10 per month. This suits for teams who want unlimited user setting, collaboration, and reporting. These include essential features plus unlimited team members and clients, draft collaboration tools, and easy, clear, exportable reports. And lastly, the agency plan for $100 per month, and it includes all features and more advanced features from this software. All paid plans has unlimited social media channels included, so you can connect as many social media as you want. So to start with, we need to first create an account. So to create an account, go up here and click on the Start My Free Plan button, and you'll be prompted to sign up page. So here, just provide your email and create your own password. And once done, also verify the I'm not a robot first, and then click on the sign up button. Then you'll be prompted to this welcome to Buffer page, and here you can choose where you want to start. So you can start with the publishing if you want to schedule some posts to your social media accounts, or you can start with a page where you can start building your own landing page in just few minutes, or you can start with the analytics and engagement. These features are included in paid plan, and if you like to, you can get the 14 days free trial activated. But for today's tutorial, I would like to start with the publishing. So next is to choose your social media account. So again, for the free plan, you can have three social media channels. So let me just choose the Facebook here, for example. And here I will just connect my Facebook page account. So I will just select that, and then I will click on Start Connecting over here. Then I will just log in to my Facebook account, and after that, here I will just select the Facebook page that I want to connect it here. And I will click on Add to Buffer. And with that, we are done connecting the Facebook page. Now here we can avail to get the analytics and engagement tools for free for 14 days. So let me just activate this free trial here. And now here's the publishing dashboard. So we have the calendar view here for us to add our post and schedule it. So here you have your days and your time. So just select on what day and time you want to schedule your post, and then just click on the add icon that shows up here to start adding your content. So here you can start adding your photos or videos for your social media content. Let me just add some photo here from my computer, and then you can write something here about your post. And I will just write this one. I will just copy and paste it. And after that, you can also make use of hashtag as well to reach more audience, especially for your Instagram account if you want to connect your Instagram account here. And by the way, you can also connect your Canva to your Buffer account. And if you don't know what is Canva, then Canva is a great tools for you to create your graphic designs for your social media contents. It's totally for free and it has a drag and drop feature to create your own design. Believe me guys, this is a really great tool for you to start your content design for your social media. And going back to Buffer, lastly, you can also edit the schedule date here. For example, let's move this post on Thursday instead at 7 a.m. And once done, just click schedule. And here your post is now added inside your calendar. And you can easily move this post to any time and day you want if you want to make changes. So just drag and drop it, and also just click on this post and click on edit if you want to make any changes in your post, like changing the photo or the text. So with Buffer, you can schedule all your posts for the whole week in just one day. You just need to prepare all your contents for the whole week and then schedule it here. Once done, you can enjoy more about other things without worrying every day to post something inside your social media account. Let Buffer do that for you. You may also view the whole month. Just click here, month. So you can also do the 2 weeks of scheduling here, or you can also do the whole month if you want to. You may also create a campaign here inside your Buffer account. So just click on campaigns, and to start, click create a campaign. Then here, just name your campaign. I will just name this as demo. And here you can select a theme color for this campaign. After that, just click on create a post from this page. And you can start adding your photos and text here. And after that, just click on add to queue. Let me just close this. And other Buffer feature also include analytics. So just click here and then this is the home dashboard for your analytics where you can see the overview of all your social media accounts that you connected here in your Buffer account. With the analytics, you will see the total audience you have for the whole week or month. Also, you'll see the total impressions and engagements that you have from your social media account. And scrolling down, you will see each of your social media channels overview as well. So you will learn here in what social media account you have more audience, impressions, and engagement. From here, you will also learn if what kind of post or content that really works for your audience so that you can focus on that. And also engagement feature, you have it here, is where you can engage with your audience directly, like responding to their comments right away from here in your Buffer account. And lastly, you also have your start a page feature for you to create or build a landing page. If you want to promote some products or services from your social media account, then this feature can help you create a landing page for you to drag your customers or your audience from social media account to your landing page to buy your products or avail your service. So I guess that's all for today's video about Buffer's tutorial. So if you have any question, guys, don't hesitate to comment down below, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching.